Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. We're gonna put together an easy meal today, but what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do green beans in the air fryer. Very easy, quick. I'm just cutting the ends off now. Then we're going to season them up and throw them in the air fryer at 370, temperature 370. And they're going to be in there for about 7 to 9 minutes. That's it. As these are in the air fryer, we've got, what are they called? Sweet potato. Baked sweet potato. Another very easy meal, another very easy thing to put together. I'm going to tell you how to do that too, even though I've already put them in the oven. All I did was I washed the sweet potato, pierced them with a fork, and placed them on a baking sheet with aluminum foil. And I put them in a preheated oven at 425. And they are in the oven now for about 50 minutes. 50. They'll be ready in 50 minutes. Once they're ready, we're gonna cut them and put some butter, some salt and black pepper, and that's it, ready. So we've got the beans and the sweet potato. Sounds good. I guess you're probably thinking, what am I going to serve this with? I'm serving it with ribs. I'm not going to, I'll do another video for the ribs later on. Okay, so we're nearly done cleaning these up, just cutting off the ends. I love using my my scissors, my kitchen scissors. That's all I use them for. It's for cutting up food, cutting up my pizzas, and that's it. Okay, so beans are ready. We're gonna put some oil, some olive oil. Okay. We're gonna put a little bit of salt. And some garlic powder. Okay, Let me get my air fryer basket. I don't know if they're all gonna fit in one. I might have to use both sides. That way it's a little quicker. Actually, you know what? I am gonna use both sides. My air fryer is a double basket. Okay, so now because we are using both sides, excuse me, we have to up the thing, what's it called, the time. So one basket, it would take normally 7 to 9 minutes, but because we're using both, we're gonna double that. So 7 and 7, 14, okay, let's say 15 minutes. So I'm going to put it in for 15 minutes, and at the halfway mark, the air fryer will automatically tell me, warn me to turn them and then cook them for the rest of the time. I'll bring you along to show you what I'm doing. Okay, so now we're putting both baskets in the air fryer. Okay, match cook means both sides same. Air fry, bring the temperature down to 370. Okay, and the time 16 minutes. Okay, that's it. I'm not going to preheat it, and I'm going to start. Simple. It's gonna beep when I have to turn, and that's it. We'll see you in a bit. I just wanted to show you the potato, the baked sweet potato. That's how simple it is. It's got about another half hour to go. I just put them in. Okay, it beeped. I'm just gonna move them around. Oh, that's smelling good. Beautiful. That's one side. Other side. That is starting to look and smell amazing. Okay. Another 7 minutes. Okay, air fryer is ready. That looks really good. Look at that. All ready. Beautiful. Nice and crispy. Just perfect. Ta-da! Beans are done. Ready to go. Thank you. The sweet potato is to die for. They were in the oven for 50 minutes. All we did was we pierced them and put them in the oven. That's it. Now I just cut this in half, and look at the skin. It's just peeling off just like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter. Oops. A little bit of butter, salt and pepper. That's it. You can add other toppings if you'd like, but that's the way we're gonna have it. That's it. Dinner's ready. Enjoy.